Shikarakesha on the left, Katakamukam on the right, Rama. Ananda, right side, Ramana. Again, right hand, Atma, Rama, left to Shikarakesha, right. So it goes the above, this is in the stomach, it goes like this. Then, Ananda, Ramana. Now the hands, legs, the legs, Atma, Rama. Swastikam jump forward, Ananda, Ramana. Then come back to Sama, Atma. Rama, put your right leg in the front, V shape, back leg is tippy toe, the legs are crossed. Rama, Ananda, Ramana. Next is Achyuta Keshava. Katakamukam like a flute. The Katakamukam close to your mouth is facing you, away from your mouth is facing the audience, only with the flute distance, not like a rod, only flute. So back, right leg goes to the front. Achyuta, bend forward. Achyuta Keshava, look a little above, protruding backwards in Swastikam. Keshava. Hari, bring your left leg as a tap. Hari, elbow should be up. Hari, Tripatakas on the hand. Hari. Narayana, Prankanam, right side. Now the same line repeats. So left leg. Achyuta, same Katakamukam, but right leg, right hand facing towards you, left is facing towards the audience. Achyuta Keshava, look, little arched back. Keshava. Bring your right leg forward. Tap. Hari. Narayana, the side Prankanam, left side Prankanam. That's it. Only 4 minutes. Okay, now let's do the music. Take it over. Okay, there are few steps which is little complicated for beginners level, which is going to explain it. So we have learned Atma Rama, Ananda Ramana, Achyuta Keshava, that's done. Then second time when it comes, it is Paravaladavu, everything starts with the right. So 1, 2, 3, out, tap, then open, close, jump out, tippy toe. Same thing, tap, tippy toe, out, tap, open, close, jump out, tippy toe. Then Achyuta Keshava comes, which is Prankanam, right side. So right elbow is towards the audience. Prankanam, which is Katakamukam, left Katakamukam, right Alapannam. Prankanam. Then the other left leg becomes tippy toe. Then jump out on the right. Right hand goes out to the audience. In Patakas, left hand is Shikarakesha. Then open your left hand, then left leg, and hands in Tripatakas. Bend your body and then twist and come in Narayana's pose. Similarly, now elbow towards left elbow towards audience, left leg Prankanam, right leg in the front, tippy toe, then jump out your left leg, left hand Patakas, right hand Shikarakesha, right leg in Swastikam back side. Now open up your left leg side in Prankanam, hands in Tripatakas in the chest, rotate inwards and then come. This is one of the steps which is confusing. Then after that there is another Atma Rama where right leg tap, open up like a rainbow, then left leg tap, open up like a rainbow. Then and again tap your left leg and then take your left hand, rotate from back side and bring it forward. Once you finish this, Achyuta Keshava will come. So the back leg from here goes Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana. Then again go right leg back, left leg back, right leg forward, left leg forward. This is one step which is confusing as well. Next is Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva. Right leg twist and land. So Rajiva Lochana. For rotation, right knee is towards diagonal. Rotate, lift your hip, rotate, land. Just like repeat, rotate, land. Okay. So these steps are the ones, if you get it, then we are good now.